How to add this animation sequence in Unreal Engine 5. In this scene, we have this character, and here we also have this animation. And I want to edit this animation. And I will close it. I will select this animation and I will copy it, Ctrl D to copy another one. And I will open it, double click to open it. And then next, I will select a skeleton tree. In here, you can select this bone, and I will select this neck bone, and I will click the key. And here we can see we have the neck track, and I will drag to here, and I will rotation it, and I will click the key button again, and I will drag this one to here, and I will rotation this neck again and click the key. We play it, and yeah, we have this simple animation. And if you want to add another bones animation, I select head, and we do the same thing. I click the key, and maybe here, and I rotation it, and we click the key button, and we drag it to here, and rotation it again, and click it, and we replay it, and yeah, we have the animations now. But I think this animation is not good, so I will delete this hand. And yeah, we have the simplest animations now. We save it, and next we enter the sequences. This animation is our edit before, so I will add another one. And this one is our edit animations. Yeah, you can see this animation is different than before. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.